It's day 3 here at IFA. There's still plenty to see, and we've got some really good things today, including a visit to the Honor stand. Let's go and find out what's happening.
Over the last couple of years, Sony has built a reputation for producing some of the best noise-cancelling headphones available. And this year they're back with the WH-1000X M3. And these come with a new audio processor called the QN1 to offer better noise cancellation and dynamic profiles. On first listen they sound fantastic, and they were great at cutting out the loud, busy noise from the show floor here at IFA. They'll be on sale for £330 from this month. Now the Ogre 2 needs to be seen to be believed. Instead of a physical keyboard, the entire lower section is a touch-enabled e-ink display. That means you can use it for typing duties, but also to draw and perform many other customizable functions. It also has Dolby Atmos integration, and the whole package really is something quite different from the usual yoga devices from Lenovo. It's definitely one of the craziest things we've seen at IFA so far. But while we've been rushing around chasing down the coolest tech that we think is fantastic, we also wanted to find out from our friends in the tech community what they thought was the best stuff at the show.
For me, honestly, everything that Huawei has done and Honor has done at this event. We saw the Kirin 970 last year, we have the Kirin 980. For a lot of people that don't understand what the 7nm process is, that's so much more power efficiency, so much more potential of power, and just so many improvements that processor brings that I'm like, all right, I saw a lot of paper, a lot of great stuff. I just want to see a phone that actually is able to do this. We've got the teaser of the Honor Magic 2 bringing that processor. Then obviously we also got the Honor Play, which I'm still shocked at everything this phone can do for the price tag. So that for me was it.
Hey guys, Cam here, and I'm at the Honor stand to take a look at the 6.3-inch full view display on the newly announced Honor Play.
Now the full view 1080x2340 display on the Honor Play is comfortably one of the best screens we've seen on a mid-range phone. It's big, colourful, and thanks to having slim bezels, it takes up 89% of the space on the front of the phone, and really helps to immerse you in your content, whether it be gaming, which we've already touched on in yesterday's video, or just enjoying your favourite shows on Netflix or YouTube. Considering the phone only costs £279, we've been really impressed so far. From phones to drones, and while they didn't launch at the show, we had to go check out the new DJI Mavic 2 drones. The £1,299 Mavic 2 Pro comes with a 1-inch Hasselblad sensor that promises to deliver exceptional photography, while the Mavic 2 Zoom, more aimed at video makers, is the first foldable drone to feature an optical zoom. Of course, both drones are equipped with the best in obstacle avoidance, and 4K video, and up to 31 minutes of flight time. To smart speakers, and Libratone has followed up its super cool Zipp with the Zipp 2. As well as a new battery that gives you up to 12 hours of playback time, the refreshed Zipp speaker has Amazon's Alexa service built in. That makes it a powerful, fun and funky alternative to an Amazon Echo. Combined with Apple AirPlay 2 and Spotify Connect, you can use just about any source or service to feed it tunes. And from the eye-catching speaker to an eye-catching smartwatch, the latest Casio keeps the same dual-layer display from its predecessor, but fits it into a slimmer and narrower case, while also boosting the battery life up to 3 days. It's not available until January here, but we're intrigued to check it out when it is.
Day 3 has been as fun-packed as day 1 and 2, so don't forget to check those out on our YouTube links below. I've been Stuart Miles. See you tomorrow.